Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Fundrise account. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on creating an account on Fundrise web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your preferred web browser and go to the official Fundrise website by entering www.fundrise.com in the address bar. On the Fundrise homepage, which is something that's going to look like this, look for the Get Started button that is usually located at the top right corner of the page or as a prominent option on the main banner section. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page asking for your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to, as Fundrise will use these for account verification and future correspondence. You will also be provided with an option to open your account using Google or any other social media platforms presented. I created this account using Google, so you can do that, and the process is just going to be really easy. If you use Google, it's just going to be easy and automatic. But if you're using that email, provide the email address, provide the password, and click on continue. Click on continue after entering your email. That's if you're using the email option. And on the next screen, you're going to have to create a strong password for your account. So create a strong password for your account. Ensure that it meets Fundrise's password requirements, such as including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your password if prompted, then click continue or next to proceed. Fundrise may ask for additional personal information, such as your full name, phone number, and date of birth. Enter this information accurately, as these may be required for account verification and regulatory compliance. And after filling in the required fields, select continue. You'll see a page with Fundrise's terms of service and privacy policy. Read through the policies, then check the box indicating that you agree to these terms. Click on continue to proceed. The next step is to set up your financial information. Some users may be prompted to set up financial details, such as linking a bank account immediately. This is optional. And if you wish to do it, just follow the prompt to link your account. Alternatively, you can skip this step and set it up later under your account setting. Fundrise will send the verification email to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox, find the email from the Fundrise, and click on the verification link to confirm your account. You might also be prompted to set up your investment profile. So after verifying your email, you may be redirected to your Fundrise dashboard. So here, just complete any remaining profile information required, such as your investment preferences and other relevant details to customize your experience. And once your account setup is complete, you have access to the Fundrise dashboard. Here, you can explore investment options, view potential portfolios, and learn about different plans available for your level of investment. And that's it. Your Fundrise account is now set up and you are ready to explore investment opportunities on the platform. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.